Hello everyone. New video, and this time something similar to one of the previous videos where I explained how to solve the issue with Windows setup not detecting the hard disk on Dell computers. After Dell, Lenovo has decided to give its users a bit of a headache too. So to spare you from headaches, stay with me until the end of the video, and while you're at it, drop a like and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost a thing. I was sick for about 15 days, so I didn't work or make new videos. After returning to work, a colleague asked me if I could try installing Windows on his laptop, because he couldn't do it himself and didn't know what to do. I said okay, and proceeded with the installation. I'm sorry, I recorded holding my phone with one hand and working with the other, so the image is a bit unstable. Please forgive me for that. But the goal of the video is not to be perfect, but to show where the problem is and how to solve it. And after the first attempt, which was aimed at identifying the problem, this is what I encountered. The same error as in Dell computers, but the solution is similar but not quite the same. You need to go into the BIOS of your Lenovo laptop, which you can do by pressing the F1 key after powering it on. Then in the BIOS, navigate to the configuration option. In that menu, you will find the Intel VMD controller, and you need to disable it. The Intel Volume Management device is specifically designed for enterprise-grade management of NVMe SSDs connected to Intel Xeon processors. While Windows 11 downloads drivers for it via Windows Update during the boot procedure, Windows doesn't recognize new technologies like this one, and manufacturers default to enabling these technologies to prompt users to call so-called experts and pay them for Windows installation. This is a quick video to save you from headaches. Stay tuned for a new video on another topic soon, so make sure to subscribe to be the first to see it.